Meaning of driving license.
Driving license.
Driving license.
Driving license.
Driving license. A driving license is a legal document that permits an individual to operate a motor vehicle on public roads. It serves as proof that the holder has been tested and deemed capable of driving safely and responsibly. In most countries, obtaining a driving license requires passing both a written test and a practical driving test. The license also typically includes details such as the type of vehicles the holder is allowed to drive and any restrictions or endorsements. Driving without a valid license can result in fines, points on the driver's record, and even legal action.